Okay guys, so I just went ahead and did the back door handle just to get like a kind of a refresher because it's been a while since I did the other side. But yeah, here's how it looks. And I even did the side in here too. No chrome as you guys can see. But yeah, so if I take the squeegee off, closes and opens properly, doesn't lift back. But yeah, let me go ahead and show you how to do it on the front door handle with the button. So the front door handle is the same concept as the back one, except it's going to be just a little bit harder because we have this button right here. But if you guys get the front door handle, I don't see why you can't do the back one. But yeah, basically wipe down with alcohol, put your squeegee in the back, and give it some quick heat. Take your vinyl. Oh, and the vinyl I'm using is Vivid XPO, whatever it's called. It's just Vivid XPO. I think it's the latest one, but I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that. I'm doing the exact same thing I did to the back door handle over here. So I just start from one side, stretch it over to the other side, and then all you're gonna need to use is your thumb. Basically, you're gonna need to use your cord, but that's gonna be at the very end. So just bear with me for a sec. So when you did like 90% of the top of the door handle, the chrome trim, you're gonna want to take your cord, and then you're gonna want to lift it off, and then you're gonna want to take your cord and push the vinyl into that crease over here. Now don't push it too hard, like to where you're gonna like rip the vinyl apart, but do it gently. So lift off, push in, and keep going. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm just ignoring the button for now. Okay, so now what I like to do is take the heat, just heat it up. And then as I'm heating, I take my cord and push it even more into the crease. But don't push it too hard, like where you're gonna cut the vinyl with your cord. Okay, so now we're gonna tuck this part around like the chrome on the side of the door handle. So basically just heat it up, stretch, and then do the same thing with your nail. Okay, so basically now that that's done, we can get to cutting. Oh, and I did not forget about the button just yet. I'm just gonna cut this rounding first, make sure that the cut is good, and then we're gonna get to the button. Basically, I don't want my blade too like long, so here's about a good, here looks good. So basically, push this in once again, and then try to cut at an angle from away from the chrome, but not too close to the paint. So that's done, just lift it up a bit, see if the cut is good. Yep, that's perfect, except for this part, which I'll fix later. But yeah, so far so good. Okay, what I like to do is just do the bottom piece, get it out of the way, then we'll do this, and then this part, so. And then for this part, basically, try not to cut too close to the chrome because the chrome is going to show. So you want to cut at an angle like this. Let's say this is where the chrome ends. You want to cut like this. And yeah, so now I just gotta cut this back piece. Just follow the line. You guys can't really see it on camera, but I can see it in real life. So, but yeah, you guys will be able to see the line in person when you guys do it. So just be patient. So yeah, once you're done the cutting, just go over it with some heat first. And then just go over it with your card. Okay, so that's done. And then now let's do the button. Button, same thing, just use your nail, push it in the crease as well as you can, make it look pretty. And you guys can use some heat, but just don't overstretch it because it's just gonna stretch back later on. And basically just cut once again. But the technique here to cut, basically when you're standing up top, you're gonna see the chrome if you cut like too close to the button. So basically you want to cut closer to the top of closer to the top here instead of cutting on the actual button. And voila, just take your card, make sure it goes in all the way, just give it some heat, and yeah, that's it guys, that's the door handles done. And just step back, and yeah, that's the door handles. So now we're gonna start with the chrome trim.